Welcome back to another hair review. Today's sponsor is BeautyForeverHair, so thanks to them for sponsoring this video. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. The wig is in a bag as always, and I love these bags. Let's see what type of wig this is. Always we receive goodies so we can have a seamless install. We have 2 caps, HD caps, of course a edge band, and this is the wig. Now this is a 7x5 bye knots lace wig in 20 inches, and I think it's Kinky Curly, which is one of my favorites here from BeautyForeverHair. I've done this so many times and I love it. If you don't want to glue your hair, these are tabs. You can use them very easy and you have enough. Now this is the wig. Now I absolutely love this. You guys are looking, you see that hairline. It's a natural hairline and edge. Just look at the curls. Let's go in. Now take a deeper look. I cannot wait for this installation because I'm going to do something different. Are you guys seeing that? There we go. Now let's talk about the wig some more. You see that lace? Yes, spectacular. I love it. You see these curls? You cannot go wrong with a curl like this. Now, the main feature I want to talk about, of course, we're going to have a adjustable band. As always, you need this depending on your head size, but the main feature is the drawstring. Now, you guys know I talk about drawstrings so much because I love them, because with having a drawstring, it allows you to purchase any wig size. Any wig, you don't have to worry if it's a medium, small, or large. You use the drawstring, you pull it down to the fitting of your choice, whether you want it tight, loose, whatever it is. That's super tight depending on your head size though. And then you're gonna pull this down to secure it. Whatever is left, you're gonna tuck it underneath. So once this is tucked, you're not gonna see anything of the wig. You see that? Yes. So I love the drawstring to ease it up. You pull that up, take that up, and automatically it's loosened. So I love this, and I love that there's a comb at the back as well. You guys, I live for the combs in the back of the wigs. Now I love everything about this wig. The curls are so defined, they are amazing, and of course I'm gonna work on the curls so you guys can see. You see that the curl is spectacular. We're gonna go into installation right now, and let's see. Let's go. Alright guys, we are gonna get into this installation of the wig, but first we have to add makeup to the cap. I like to do that so it blends seamlessly, especially with a lace like this. Now the lace is amazing. I didn't even realize, like, if you guys know, this is one of my favorite wigs, the Kinky Curly. When I do it, I love the curl, and BeautyForever never miss with this one. So I absolutely love it. But the lace is given online, okay? So we're gonna fit this on. The wig already came as a middle part. I don't think I'm gonna work with a middle part. I feel like I wanna try something different, you know? I wanna bring it to the side, but look at that. And then I love how they did the baby ear, so it's gonna be super easy for you. You see that? Are you guys seeing this? Look at that. So I'm thinking I want to do like a side part, which means not really a side part, but I wanted, you know, what do you guys think? Like, it's gonna be so nice, especially when I redefine the curls. This is what we're definitely doing. So I'm gonna get into it. We're gonna position the hair. Now, if you decide to do this, you get your wig. Just remember, you have to get rid of the middle part. They made it super easy for you if you want to do a middle part, but at the same time, It is so defined. The wig construct properly where you can make a side part as well. So don't let that trick you. And this is even easier, okay? It's just installation. I did not even pull the drawstring as yet, and the wig is complete. Love that for me. But I'm thinking about doing something like this. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna position the hair. I love the baby hair at the front. The effect it gives. The wig is super natural, so I really like that. You guys see this? Okay, Beauty Forever. All right, let me position this, and then I'll pull the drawstring so you guys can see how snug it is. You do not need to spray it down, glue it down, because look, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, so okay. All right guys, the lace is on. Still needs to dry a little bit, but we are gonna pull the drawstring now to show you, and it's gonna be super easy. I mean, the way the wig is constructed, you don't need the drawstring, but we're gonna go ahead and do it. This is the drawstring. You're gonna pull this down. Make sure you take this down. Whatever is left, which is this, you're gonna tuck it underneath the wig. Going nowhere. Okay, so you guys see the wig ain't going nowhere. When I tell you this is so snug. Now remember I said I wanted to do now remember, you guys can wear this wig as is. Okay, run your fingers through, take your time, run the fingers through, and you can wear it as is. For me, I like to brush it out for a more realistic look. Because the hairline that they give, I will brush some out. I'm gonna take out some hairline, and this is like the nappy hairline, so I like that. We're gonna take out some for a more realistic look. You guys can pull this out, or you can just cut it down. I'm gonna do both. Just take out a desired amount of your choice. I will take more from the side that I will leave the wig on, which is this side. It's a bit nappy, but I like that. I feel like the wigs with the nappy hairline gives a more realistic look. I don't know, all the wigs that I've worn with the realistic hairline, they give a more realistic look, and I really like that. I'm gonna go in, just pull some out. Not a lot. So I'm doing like one pluck each side. Now remember, this wig don't need plucking, okay? You don't. That's what we came up with. I'm gonna use a hot comb. You guys see that? Are you guys seeing what I am seeing? So to get rid of the middle part, obviously this is gonna work when I wet the wig. What did I tell you guys about this side part? I know this was gonna look so nice. So I want to show you, if you don't know how to wet your hair, or you're on a rush and you don't want to wet the hair, you can wear it as is as well. You know, for me, it checks the boxes, and I'm gonna wet mine down, probably go cook. I'm gonna let it also self-dry. But for persons who wanna wear the wig like this, that's perfectly fine as well. All you need is some wax stick, which this wig obviously don't need it. And I'm just gonna place some right there and create like a curve. So you guys can keep on watching.
Yo, DJ Dix.
Now this is how the hair looks if you guys want to keep it as is. I am going to razor cut some off the front. I'm gonna add layers to it, but remember, you can wear it like this. I love to see the girls with their natural hair looking like this. For me, I need to cut down some of the front because of the style that I'm doing. gonna take much off, just a little bit, just to layer it to suit my face. And as you guys can see, it's coming down. You see that? So if you want to wear the wig as is, you can. Just a little bit right here. And then I'm gonna go on the ends, of course, and make sure, pull it down, and I'm gonna cut some off. Not much, because once I wet this down, it's gonna be super easy and it's gonna lay as one. So you razor cut it down, you can wear it as is. Now you can still go ahead and spray a little bit of water in it if you want to, but look at this. I love this. Beauty Forever, you did this one, okay? You did it big. Alright, you guys can go in and stretch if you want and razor cut it down. So if you're on a rush, you want to slide this wig on, you can wear it as is. Now I'm gonna go in and we're gonna wet this down. So keep on watching. If you want, you can use your scissor as well. Because of the style, I'm gonna leave more on this side. So this is how it looks. Amazing. I'm gonna part it in two, and I'm gonna start with this side and we're gonna wet this down, so you guys can keep on watching. So good, right? It's gonna look so nice once I define the curl, because the curl pattern in this, amazing. And not to mention the lace. I know you guys are not seeing my lace, so amazing. Okay, very easy as well. I'm just gonna take small sections and I'm gonna wrap that around my finger. Now the brush did define it a little bit, but I want to do section by section, so we're just gonna keep doing this, and then we're gonna let that self dry. I mostly need it for this part because this is where the hair will be showing. You can go ahead and add more mousse to it, because the mousse, look, the mousse is definitely going to help to define the curls a little bit more. If you don't want to add the mousse directly on the hair, you can just put it on your finger and do the rest. I love this hairstyle, and I feel like this is going to be a hairstyle for Christmas for me. So you guys can grab this wig. It's very easy. I know it's a hectic season and we have a lot going on, so you need a good wig that's gonna give you less time to install and it's gonna last. Okay, you don't have to worry about curling the wig or anything like that. So I'm mostly gonna add these at the front. I think we're good to go. Now I'm gonna let this wig self-dry. It is beautiful. Once it's self-dry, I'll come back and we're gonna fluff it out, show you guys how you can style it, because I want it to have a more defined look. But in order for that to be done, it's better for you to wet the wig. So let's wait and see. This is how it is wet. It still looks nice, so if you're rushing, you can wet down your hair and just leave. But I will be back to show you guys the end result. First of all, this is beautiful, looks all natural, looks like mine, and I know you guys see that. Look at the lace. Beauty Forever, I need this wig. I'm gonna wear this wig. I think this is my holiday hairstyle because it was super simple, super easy. Y'all see the hairline? Amazing. Y'all see how fluffy and curly this hair is? I did add layers in it. You can, you don't have to, but I do recommend, if you don't want to wear your hair as is, to spray it down, add some mousse, and you're good to go, because the curl is gonna stay and this will last for days. Okay, absolutely love it. And remember, it's a 7x5 closure, so it looks so good. You see the volume? I really like it. What are your thoughts? Let me show you guys around the back because it's not a joke, okay? It's full. I love it. So I will have everything in the description for you guys. Make sure you check it out. Let me know what you think. I'm happy I went with this style because it's so realistic. Click the link. It's December. You guys are busy. You need a quick install wig, and this is the one. Okay, very easy, very easy. You can install this yourself, and I love the curls. It's just, it looks so natural, and I absolutely love it. So thank you to BeautyForever for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check the description. There will be a coupon code. The link will be there so you can get the direct link. You know what I like? If you love black hair, I was looking at it today and I was like, this wig is super black. I know a lot of persons buy their wig and they dye it. You don't have to with this one. It's perfect, and I love how the curls came out. Oh, beautiful. So make sure you check the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.